So in this video, I'm going to be at the bottom of page 12. So up until now, we've done metric conversions. We go from one metric unit to another. Other times, kind of like what we're going to do with our infiltration lab, we want to go from one unit to another. Maybe we want to go from seconds to minutes or minutes to hours. Maybe we want to go from centimeters to inches or inches to centimeters. We also did that in this lab. So you need to be able to do that as well. And we're just going to do a real simple one-step conversion. I'm going to do problem A in your packet, which is all the way at the bottom of page 12. So it says, in Europe, gasoline is sold by the liter. Assume that it takes 14 gallons of gasoline to fill the tank of a compact car. How many liters? So if you look at this problem, our given is where the number is. Our given is 14 gallons. 1 gallon equals 3.8 liters. That's a conversion. And in general, I don't like to start my problems with conversions. I like to start them with my given. And my given is 14 gallons. So let's go to the HoverCam. And we would start with practice problem A. So I've got 14.0 gallons, right? And put that over 1. That's my given. Drop my gallons. This is exactly the same as our metrics. Now, can I go from gallons to liters? I can. I've been given a conversion. So I can go from gallons to liters. Now, in your conversion, all you have to do is whatever is in front of your conversion in the conversion or in front of that unit, that's what goes in front of it in your problem. So the 1 is in front of gallons and the 3.8 is in front of liters. So that's exactly what we're going to do. The 1 is in front of gallons. The 3.8 is in front of liters. Remember, we multiply 14.0 times 3.8 divided by 1, and that equals 53.2 liters. Box your answer. So now you can work problem B, and the answer will be found in your PowerPoint. So let's go ahead and start this problem. Now this problem is a little trickier because there's multiple numbers in here. Here's a conversion factor. Now in this PowerPoint, I left the last slide, the next slide to show the problem, shows a different way than I'm going to do it. Because with this much data, remember I've got 3 acres as a given, I've got 20 hectares as a given, you're going to have to decide what works for you the best, right? But I'm going to show you how I would do this. Now when I look at this problem, of course I don't want to start with my hectares and my acres. But to me it says how many owls could live in a large wooded area of 20 hectares. So I looked at 20 hectares as my given. All right. So let's put this here. If that is my given, then I'm going to put 20 hectares over 1. I don't want hectares. I want to go to acres because that's how many I know acres in terms of owls. I know how many owls I have per acre, so I need to go from hectares to acre. So I'm going to put this here. There is in my conversion 1 hectare is 2.47 acres. But I don't want acres, I want owls. And we saw that for every 3 acres, I have 1 owl. So when I do that, put that in my calculator, I get 16.47 owls. The way you do this, you can't really have a 0.47 of an owl, so you round that down to approximately, 16 owls.